Hi everybody, it's Kathleen Mackay here, KathleenMackay.com. We have a windy, sunny day today. It amazes me how the change in the weather can just be so extreme really quickly here. I love it. The way I get through a windy day is I tell myself it's drying my beautiful fluffy towels for me here. You know, love that. What else is it doing for me? It's cleaning up the airways, blowing away all the germs and illnesses, and blowing out the cobwebs in my brain too. Well, that's a plan. That's what I'm hoping for anyway. So yes, I thought I would share this wonderful windy day with you. We do get wind and rain aside from the beautiful, beautiful 28 plus degree temperatures here. And I'm trying to think all the wonderful things that it's good for. Oh, they get down on Manfield Park with their kite surfing equipment, and they get into the kite flying. There is a lot of bonuses for that. I mean, if we were at the beach, people would be windsurfing, I guess. So we're not too far from any beaches here. We're close to Tangamoana, Foxton Beach. Probably if you go the other way, I'm not too sure what you're close to out there, but you get close to Wanganui and all the beaches around there. Bulls, so you can go to Scott's Landing from there. Further down from Foxton Beach, going south again from the other way, we'll have Waitariri Beach, another beautiful beach. They're just beaches so close, you know. It doesn't matter where you are in New Zealand, you have access to a beach within 2 hours at the very least, no matter where you are in the country. That's what I reckon. I mean, and probably less in some places. For us, it's a 20-minute trek up the road. Next trek's probably like 35 minutes, all up from home here. Rivers are 5 minutes away. We're just so lucky. So yeah, I've done a little work today and I'm very pleased with where I'm at. The other thing I've been doing today is, nearly everyone that knows me now knows that I'm a great believer in the law of attraction, and I have to admit the first time I came across the saying law of attraction was with the SFM and their in the back office's training from Stuart. It's called attraction marketing. That's quite enlightening on the way someone would do marketing. So along with all the other little snippets of advice I've given in the past, especially if you're going through boot camp, well, not so much boot camp, your modules, sorry, my mistake. When you're going through the modules in your back office and you're going through module 2, you know, I would allow to do the law of attraction there as well, the attraction marketing that Stuart has got out in our training for us. I would encourage you to do that at least once a week. If you can do it a lot more, I definitely would, because there's a lot to be said about the law of attraction. I have to admit, just my last recent break from being really present and active within the SFM community, I had actually plugged into a lot of law of attraction work, and well, it's become not so much work now. It's fun. It's something I love doing. I love plugging into The Secret. I love plugging into Esther Hicks especially. I plug into something called It Works, and also a lot of ebooks relating to the law of attraction. I plug into it to drown out a lot of negativity that can be on the outside of me, but very present within my hearing and my view. So I find this a good way to block out those negative distractions, and I plug into something very positive. And so I think your business and your marketing can excel incredibly once you start practicing consistently the law of attraction. Okay, peace out, guys. That's me. I've got children that require me. I'll catch up on this topic. It's fast becoming very, very dear to me. Peace out, guys.